We'll talk about how can you disable sound effects on your Mimo app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Mimo app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, click on profile down here. When just click here on profile, it's going to take you to this list. So then all you have to do now, so you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do, you just go down, come here to sound effects, just click in this sign here or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That means sound effects it's disabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.